Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Today's presentation is in regards of the DAC flat fee pharmacy powered by My Free Pharmacy. You can reach this website by going to prescriptions123.com. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you have any comments, please leave a comment. The topic today is diabetes supplies and medications. The flat fee pharmacy is $19.95 per month for an individual, and it is $29.95 per month for a family. And what this includes is free medications for an individual. You are able to check the drug search, prescription search to see if your prescriptions are on the platform. Um, on the platform is over 90% of all medications that are prescribed are on the platform. You get that for free for that one flat fee of $19.95 per month for an individual. And then if you have a family and your prescriptions are on our platform, it's $29.95 per month for your prescription medications. But this presentation is in regards of our diabetic customers who are looking for um, free diabetic medications. So we're going to go to where it says the program, and I'm going to click it says diabetes supplies and medications. It's going to take you to our diabetic platform, part of our membership. So with the membership of $19.95 per month or $29.95 per month, as a member, you get diabetic supplies, medications. You're going to save on diabetes, glucose meters, test strips, lancet, and more. Save on Diabetes. Save on Diabetes is our game-changing program for members with diabetes. Okay, so once you become a member, you're gonna get a free diabetic kit. So here's the get a free starter kit in diabetic prescriptions. Okay, so the program includes a free bilingual voice response glucometer, 3 month supply of test strips, supply of lancets, lancing device, and control solutions, zero out of pocket on diabetes medication listed here. And then also it comes with free shipping to your mailbox. And then this right here, so these are diabetes medications on our formulary, right? This is what we have for our diabetic customers, members. So these medications will be free with your membership and a valid prescription. So, for example, you have diabetes. Your doctor is prescribed you diabetes. You go pick it up at CVS. You pay a certain fee. If you have medical or some type sort of benefits, you may have a copay or something like that. Now, with this membership plan, our pharmacy team will get your uh, doctor's information, and they will coordinate with your doctor to have your diabetic medications switched to our platform. And what happens is you're going to get that 3 month supply of test strips. You're going to get your medications for free, and then you can still pick it up at like CVS. Our membership also have where if you got to go pick up your some glucose or anything like that, it's going to be at Walmart. So some people, or not glucose, excuse me, it's insulin. So our company has partnered up with Walmart. So when you need your insulin, you'll be going and pick it up at Walmart at no cost. So these are the diabetic medications. I'm familiar with a few of these because I do have a mother who she is a diabetic, and one of the medications she has is metformin, and then it tells you the quantity limit of what you're going to get. It's going to tell you how many supply those are. So you get like a 3 month supply, and then you got metformin, and these are all other diabetic medication that goes on with the platform for free. Of course, you're going to be a member at $19.95 per month as an individual, $29.95 per month as a family. So if you pay that flat fee, your diabetic medications are free. And remember, when you become a member, you do get this starter kit, and with that starter kit, you get this glucometer. It's bilingual. It's free, and then you also get the blood glucose test strips, which are free as well. You get a 3 month supply of that, and then you're going to get a sterile lancet. Okay, and then you're going to get that solution as well. So this is coming with your membership fee. If you have any questions, please put a question in the comment box. Definitely will respond to you. And then if you want to get started with this program, it also has other prescription medications. You can check our drug search, which I'll put on, it will be in the link below. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a message and I will respond back to you. Again, the website is prescriptions, that's with an S at the end, 123.com. I want to thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.